Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 14 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up your boot options, and then just swipe down to turn off your device. Now when it's off, hold power button and volume down at the same time, and in a moment, once the Realme logo shows up, we're gonna let go of just the power button. When you see the language selection, you can also let go of the volume down and then just simply tap on your desired language. It's gonna be English for me. And in here we have several options. So we have format data, reboot device, and power off. Now under format data, we only have a factory reset, which is blocked by this 4-digit code. So I'm not even gonna type it in. And the two other options are just two ways of leaving the recovery mode. So in any case, I'm going to select reboot device now. Okay. And this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.